What's going on, YoUnGnGrOwN family? Before we start this video, I want to say thank you for all the support on the merch on the channel. Make sure you go to younggngrowN.myspreadshop.com/all to get all your YoUnGnGrOwN merch. I'm about to take y'all to Hollywood, California.
We don't need no approval.
Happy Valentine's Day.
We nice and young, gotta say we lived it right. We young and grown, we don't need no approval. We young and grown, and that's what we gon' stay true to.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of YoUnGnGrOwN TV. I go by the name of Jacques Intro. So it's the week of Valentine's. This week, everyone's gonna be celebrating Valentine's Day, buying people gifts, making beautiful cards, trying to be sweet and all that good stuff. So what I want to find out is, what's the sweetest and most romantic thing that someone has done for you for Valentine's Day? And the most important question that we're all wondering is, does your side dude have to get you a Valentine's Day gift? So go ahead, grab some popcorn, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let's get it started. We're going to Los Angeles, California to find out what's going on. Let's go. What's the sweetest thing somebody's done for you guys for Valentine's Day?
I was on the boat one time.
Okay, sis. It was so cold. It was in Marina del Rey. Yeah, it was, and then there was a bunch of us, but the guy got me like you know, some nice thing. We have a chef food there.
Wow.
Valentine's Day isn't a massive thing in Australia.
Yeah, like it's so as big as India.
Yeah, we just kind of give a rose, and I gave my boyfriend a teddy bear. Romantic, yeah.
I guess get me flowers. It was really nice.
Who got you flowers? Did I?
Yeah.
Wow, that's bad. Yeah. I guess the one time that I did do Valentine's Day, I got flowers.
Do you guys think girls should make more effort on Valentine's Day, or is it just guys should be doing it?
I feel like girls make efforts year round. Girls don't need Valentine's Day because we'll pick a Friday and just cook and put on music. You walk in the door and everything's already set up. We don't need Valentine's Day. We do this year round.
Well, I think you guys are gonna hate me. I think it's making
Hey guys, we're asking people about Valentine's Day. What's the greatest thing that you got for Valentine's Day? What's like an awesome experience you had? The most romantic?
the most, well, everything he gives me is wonderful.
Because
I usually go out and buy it myself. You know?
Exactly.
That's a secret.
And the worst thing is we went to, it used to be where Daily Grill, and we brought our family there and we're sitting there and a cockroach crawls on the wall. So that was my least favorite. So we don't go out on Valentine's Day because they're too crowded and it's overpriced. Yeah, right. We just like to order pizza and watch a good romantic.
do you think women should do more for men on Valentine's Day, or is it just?
It's just no. We're queens. I know we're
I don't say anything.
Yeah, he doesn't say anything. That's why we've been married 44 years. I'm always right.
We don't need it on the 14th.
We've been married
That's
44
right.
years.
Every day should be Valentine's Day.
That's right. Should it always be the guy that makes the gesture? I noticed that you said you did something that's pretty awesome. Should it always be the guy that makes the gesture on Valentine's Day? Tell me about that.
Women have to do enough work, I feel like, just on the day. Women have to do enough work on the day to day. Yeah.
I think it should be a two-way street, but I think it's a lot of the guy's responsibility to make it special, but I think it should be two ways.
All right, so a lot of men, they say that the women tries to give them the same thing every year for their birthday, for Christmas, for Thanksgiving, and y'all know what I'm talking about. They wrap the same gift and they offer that same thing every year. Do you guys feel like women don't make the same effort on Valentine's Day that the men make, or do you feel like on all holidays, for birthdays, stuff like that? There's a thing that I read, it says dudes hate celebrating birthdays because girls give socks and sweaters and they expect purses and boat cruises.
Oh, they getting the wrong women.
I was just gonna say
what
that.
What kind of socks? I would never in my life get anybody just socks. Like, I'm big. Like, I've done things for my husband where, like, literally telling him pull up at the airport. And like one of his birthdays, he pulled up at the airport, had no idea where he was going. And when he got there, he got his ticket, and we're flying out the country, or we're doing different things.
Do women prefer a guy get them flowers and candy, or just give them the money? Because a lot of times guys try it and they mess it up. What do you think personally?
I'm not a gift person. I don't like getting gifts.
Oh my god.
No.
I don't know if I agree with that.
No, that's true. Like,
I don't know if
I don't
I-
like material gifts. I don't know. I like ice cream.
You like ice cream?
Yeah.
Would you rather just get the money, the guy spends $100, $200 trying to impress you,
No, that's
and it goes
crazy.
bad?
That makes me uncomfortable. Like, I'm not gonna spend $100
Yeah, that's
on
kinda
you.
overkill.
Yeah.
I mean, like, I don't know. I wouldn't give a loved one just be like, hey, here's some money.
No. Like, maybe take the money and do something together. Like, go somewhere together. I don't know.
All right, and this is the most important question, okay? Is your side dude required to do anything for you on Valentine's Day?
I've
Yeah,
never
sleep
had.
with
What does your side do?
Yeah, sleep with the side dude.
Oh.
You at least need some physical loving. At least he's your side dude.
He can get you something. Chocolate, I guess. Side dudes should get a hot chocolate.
Chocolate. It's a material thing for the side dude.
Yeah. Side dude definitely.
Love
things.
from the primary.
And material.
Material thing from side dude.
Okay, so what obligations, if any, does your side guy, the guy on the side, right? What obligations does he have during Valentine's Day? Your side dude.
I feel like you should stay out of it. Make it a little bit less obvious, but I don't have a side guy. My boyfriend has nothing to worry about.
I don't have a side guy myself, but if I did, keep quiet.
Is your side dude required to do anything for you for Valentine's Day?
Definitely.
Yes, absolutely.
What should he be doing?
A gift, like a handbag.
Well, when you're married, I don't know.
If you're not okay, when you say side dude
Flag
in
on
the
the
sense
plate.
of like
Flag
talking
on the
stage
plate.
or like
Side dude. The dude on the side. He knows he's a side dude. You know.
okay, so you know what?
He ain't the main dude. He ain't the main dude.
Flag on the plate,
I'm in
Gabby.
LA, okay, so
Flag on the plate. We don't answer these type
we
of
don't
questions.
answer that.
I thought you were talking maybe when there's
We
They
have
have
one
no
dude.
idea what a side dude is.
yeah, I'm like I don't.
But if
not
I
in
was
our
gonna have a
vocabulary.
side dude,
Okay. Get in there. Get in there.
if I was gonna get a side dude, you're gonna give me everything just like the men dude, okay?
And now the main dude gonna know you gonna have a side dude because you just told the people on camera.
All right, guys. So thank you so much for watching this episode. Don't forget to give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you join the Young and Grown family on YouTube. I would love to hear what you guys think about Valentine's Day. If you celebrate Valentine's Day, some great gifts you've gotten, some great gifts you've given, and also what do you think about the side dude situation? Go ahead and leave some comments down here. I'd love to read them. I hit you right back, and I'll see you next week. And don't forget, you're gonna make it. I'm not sure where, but wherever you're headed, you're gonna get there. We're young and grown.
We having fun, we living life. We nice and young, gotta say we lived it right. We young and grown, we don't need no approval. We young and grown, and that's what we gon' stay true to. We having fun, we living life. We nice and young, gotta say we lived it right. We young and grown, we don't need